Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you're looking for some unique little battery operated lighting, you're gonna love this one from LUSHARBOR.
I am so in love with this little light. It is perfect for anywhere. I really, really appreciate that it already came with this LED bulb installed and all of the work that they've done to make sure that this thing is waterproof. It has this great rubber seal around where the battery sits, as well as over the off and on switch. I also love that it has a timer setting, so you can have it turn on and off every day at the same time. It's on for 6 hours, off for 18, and I think it is just so beautiful and unique. I love the ripple of this glass, how it casts such a beautiful shadow on any surface that it's sitting on. It really is like looking at the sun. It's so beautiful. I think it's perfect for putting in your house in just these little spots where you want to have like an interest piece and just some illumination. But it's also perfect to put outside, especially since it is waterproof. I love that it's cordless and it is so gorgeous. It just makes such a beautiful piece in my home, and I really, really love it.
I love everything about this little lamp. I think it is so beautiful and I highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.